Welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide journalists with an update on the latest developments at the court and the opportunity to ask questions. In the case of Hashim Thaçi and co-accused, the trial panel on the 19th of June granted a request by the Salimi defense to exclude certain evidence related to a witness from the proceedings. The panel found that the relevant evidence was of limited probative value and has a substantial prejudicial effect on the accused. The panel also directed the prosecution not to ask about that evidence during the witness's testimony and to caution the witness not to speak about it during their testimony. On the 20th of June, the trial panel granted a request by the prosecution to allow for the testimony of two witnesses via video conferencing. One witness is not able to travel due to health reasons, while the prosecution raised security concerns for the other witness. The panel noted that the parties can cross-examine the witnesses as if they were in the courtroom, and that the defense teams did not raise any objections in regards to this request. The panel further noted that testimony via video link may be conducive to the expeditiousness of proceedings. Hearings in this case resumed this week with the testimony of the 73rd witness called by the prosecution. As provided in the summary by the prosecution, the witness, Kurtesh Fonday, is a former soldier of the KLA in the Pastrik operational zone. Mr. Fonday testified mainly in public session and without protective measures. At the start of the hearing on Wednesday morning, Kurtesh Fonday requested legal assistance following an examination by the panel the day before. The panel denied the witness's request, clarifying that a witness is provided with a lawyer only if there are concerns about self-incrimination, which was not the case here. The panel also informed the witness that according to the KSC rules, the judges can ask a witness any question at any time during the proceedings. On Wednesday afternoon, the 74th witness called by the prosecution started their testimony, which took place in private session, after which the trial was adjourned for the week. The next hearing in the Thaçi et al. Case is scheduled for Monday, the 1st of July, starting at 10 in the morning. In the case of Sabit Yanuzi, Ismet Batiari, and Haji Shala, the pretrial judge on the 20th of June granted a request by Mr. Yanuzi to further extend the deadline for the defense to file their pretrial briefs. The judge determined that the pretrial briefs should only be filed once she has issued her decision on the prosecution's request to amend the indictment. The pretrial judge ordered that the defense's pretrial briefs be filed within 7 days from the issuance of her decision on the prosecution's request to amend the indictment. The pretrial judge also decided that the tentative date for transmitting the case file to a trial panel will now be set at 14 days following her decision on the prosecution's request. In other news, the 2023 annual report of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers is now available on the KSC website in the 3 official languages of the court, Albanian, Serbian, and English. The report provides detailed information about the activities of the Specialist Chambers over the course of 2023.